guys, what's up? Today I'll be ranking all of my fidgets, and please like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get started. So first we have this purple sloth blow bubble pet. This is really cute and I love blow bubble pets, so I'll rate this like a 10 out of 10. Next we have this stretchy banana. It's also squishy. It's like one of a realistic banana. It's also from this bench. And yeah, I love this so much. I rate this a 10 out of 10 too. I love that. Next we have this marble mesh. I do like this. Perfect for school because it's quiet and small. Probably rank this like a 8.5. Next we have this color change ball. This is really nice and soft, and I love the color change, how the color changes. I'll rate this like a 9 out of 10. Next we have this stress ball. It's not a slow rising one, so it's like hard to squeeze, and I don't really like that. But I love the galaxy, so I'll rate it like a 4 out of 10. Next we have this Pop It. It's a gumball machine, and I love this. It's really cute, and the pops are really good. I'll rate this like a 9.5. Next we have this zipper bracelet. It's also from this bench. This is really cool. I love this. Probably like a 8.5. I think this is cool. Next we have this fidget spinner. This is alright. I do like fidget spinners, so I'll rate this like a 7.5. Next we have this fidget spinner Pop It. I do love this. I'll rate it like a 9.5. This is really nice. Next we have this DNA ball. It doesn't have that much little balls in it, and so it's like kind of weird. I mean, if it had more of the little balls, it would be way better. So I'll just rank this like a 6.5. Well, 7. Next we have this octopus Pop It. This is really cute. I love this. And I think I would rate this like a 8 out of 10. Next we have this purple bead ball. It has like beads in it. And this is really nice. I love this, so I would rank it like a 9 out of 10. Next we have this wacky track. This is pretty nice. I'll rate like a 8.5. Next we have this Pop It bracelet. I do like this. 7.5, I guess. That's what I'll rank it. Then we have this like plushy, slow rising unicorn squishy. I love this. It's pretty nice, like an 8.5, I guess. Next we have this Orby squishy, and oh my goodness, this has really big Orbeez, and so like it feels so nice. It's like so like, I don't know, I just love this. There's one thing I don't like this. What I don't like about it is I don't like the color. I don't really like the color orange. I mean, it's okay, but since it's a color, I'll rate it like an 8.5. Next we have this cat, Nito. Pretty cute. Love it. 9.5. Gummy Bear Poppet. This is probably my favorite Poppet. I really like this. 10 out of 10. Love this. Next we have the Poppet Ball. It pops like this and then like that. I love this. 9.5, but this is good. Next we have this Rubik's Cube. It's not that good of a Rubik's Cube, but it's cute because it has hearts. I'll rate this like a 5 out of 10. Next we have an acupressure ring. I do love these. Probably like a 10 out of 10. Next we have this avocado plushie squishy. I put a different squishy in it instead of Orbeez, but I love this. Probably like a 9 out of 10. Next we have a plushie squishy with actual Orbeez. It's a fox, isn't it so cute? 10 out of 10. This other Orbeez squishy, pretty nice, 9.5. We got this circle Poppet. This is my very first Poppet. Very simple, but love the colors. 9 out of 10. Next we have this air squishy. We have some more. Hold on. We have 3 of these, like, I think lovable, I think they're called. I like these a lot. Probably like a 9 out of 10. Next we have these 2 pop tubes, and I love pop tubes, especially when you connect it and make it really long. That's so fun. These are my mom's least favorite, Fidget, and acupressure rings are her most favorite. She loves these. Okay, moving on. We got this heart Poppet. 6.5. Just because the pops aren't great. Next we have this pencil topper snapper. I love snappers, so like a 9 out of 10. Next we have these monkey noodles, including this bug one, like a bug. Monkey noodles aren't my favorite. I do like them though, probably like a 6.5. Next, we have a lot of mochis. I actually love mochis because they're so cute and they're squishy and small, so you can bring them to school. First, I have a dirty elephant. Well, first of all, I'll rank them. Probably like an 8.5. But 2 elephants, frog, lopsided dinosaur, hedgehog, really dirty octopus or squid, bunny, cat, my most favorite, rubber duck. He's so sweet and cute. Next we have this squishy, and I love this. It's a water squishy. Has like this crystal paper stuff in it. I don't know if you can see, but it's so cool. 10 out of 10, definitely. Now we have this snake. He's pretty cool and fun. Probably ranking like a 8 out of 10, or maybe a 7. 7. This is 10. Next we have this jumbo mochi. Look at this. Yes, this is a super big mochi. I mean, look at this. That's huge. This is a normal mochi. And his head is so big, and his body's tiny, and his body is so weird. Like, what the heck? He is good. 9 out of 10. We got a couple dimples here. We got, these were a pack. These little animals, koala and parrot. I love dimples. 9 out of 10. And we have this one. Has more pops and like different shapes, so 9.5. Next we have this suction cup thing, and you like stick it on the counter and then you lift it up and it makes like a sound. Probably like a 6. I don't love it though. It's okay. I like it. There's this infinity cube, and I love infinity cubes. 9.5. I love it. Next, we have this koala. It's an air squishy, and it lights up. So that's cool. I'll make it like a 8. Next, we got this Pop It game. This is our last fidget right now. This is a Pop It game, and I love playing the game, and I just love popping it, to be honest. Especially these big pops. Probably like a 10 out of 10. Yeah, that was the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!